In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows key not working in Windows 11. To get started, move your mouse cursor to the Windows icon located on the taskbar at the bottom center of your screen. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, you will see several options listed on the left side. Click on Accessibility. Now, look at the options available on the right side. Scroll down until you find Keyboard. Click on it. Here, ensure that Filter Keys is turned off. If it's currently enabled, simply toggle off this switch to disable filter keys. After making this change, check if your Windows key is now functioning properly. If not, let's move on to another solution. Next, right-click anywhere on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in Windows Explorer. Once Windows Explorer appears in the list below, click on it. Then click Restart Task. After restarting Windows Explorer, check once more if your Windows key is operational. If it's still not working, there's one last method you can try. On your keyboard, press both the Fn key and the Windows key simultaneously. This simple combination may resolve any temporary issues with functionality. If you're using a Razer keyboard specifically, try pressing Fn plus F10 instead. This toggles game mode, which might be preventing normal operation of certain keys, including your Windows key. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.